Hello students, this is the 12th part of concept of compound angles. Today also I am going to explain some problems based on the concept of compound angles. Here we have two problems. I want to explain one by one. I want to explain first problem, that is root 3 cosec 20 degree minus secant 20 degree. Value want root 3 by into sin 20 degree 1 by cos 20 degree. Here LCM is sin 20 degree into cos 20 degree. Root 3 into cos 20 degree minus sin 20 degree. So I already explained this type of problem, students. Numerator can be converted into a single trigonometric ratio, and that should be divided multiplied with root over a square plus b square. Root over a square. A means root 3 square plus b means minus 1 square, that is 3 plus 1 2. So we need to multiply, divide with 2 nana. So what happened here? 2 by root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 by 2. Okay, here also this is in the form of denominator in the form of sin A cos B, but you want 1 2 nana, then this is nothing but sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B only. That's why here also I want to multiply with 2 and divide it with the 2. 1 by 2 into 2 sin 20 into cos 20. So that is becomes 4 times of, this is root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 by sin of A plus B 20 plus 20 plus sin of A minus B 20 minus 20. Okay, so this is sin 60, this is cos 60, this is in the form sin A cos B plus cos A sin B sin of A minus B, 4 into sin of A minus B 60 minus 20 by sin 40 plus 0. So next page I will write. So what you got, 4 into sin 60 minus 20 sin 40 by sin 40. So finally what you got, 4. So the value of this expression equal to 4. Now I can say my option is fourth option. Okay. Yeah. Students, next question. Our next question. First of all, I want to simplify the value of, I want to find the simplified value of cos 290 equal to cos of 270 plus 20. 270 plus 20 in fourth quadrant cos plus 3 into 93 odd number sin 20 will get. Next sin 150 I want 250, that is sin of 270 minus 20. 270 minus 20 in third quadrant sin minus 3 into 93 odd number cos 20. So now I want to write what is that, 1 by cos 290 plus 1 by root 3 into sin 250. 1 by cos 290 nothing but sin 20 minus I will directly minus 1 by root 3 into cos 20. Here root 3 into sin 20 into cos 20 LCM root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20, just like in previous problem. So in continuation I will write here 2 into multiply 2 divided by 2 numerator 2 into root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20 by root 3 by 2 into 2 sin 20 into cos 20. Okay, that is 4 by root 3 into this is sin 60 cos 60 sin A cos B minus cos A sin B sin of A minus B 60 minus 20 by 2 sin A cos B sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B sin of A plus B 20 20 40 plus sin of A minus B 0. So 4 by root 3 into sin 40 by sin 40. So my answer is 4 by root 3. So 4 by root, this is the answer for the problem. Okay. Next important model I explained another this type. Here you want cot, not tan. Cot you want. Tan, I will change the color now. Tan 40 plus 2 tan 10. Concept for the problem, important concept for the problem. What is that? 2 cot 2 theta equal to cot theta minus tan theta. Proved one. That's why tan 40 plus 2 cot 80 I can write this one. Cot 10 nothing but cot 80 one. Tan 40 degree 2 cot 2 theta 2 into 40. So tan 40 degree plus cot 40 degree minus tan 40 instead of this. Okay, this get cancelled. Finally cot 40 degree. Okay, now what I can say comparing that cot 40 equal to cot x. Directly I can say that x equal to 40. So my answer is 40. Option is 4. Option 4 correct. Important model. Okay. Next problem, student. Another one. Sin of A plus B plus C is 1 and secant of A plus C is 2. A comma B comma C being acute angles, then B equal to. Interesting problem, student. Okay, what is given? 0 lesser than A less than 90 degree, 0 less than B less than 90 degree, 0 less than C less than 90 degree. We add all the three. What happened? 0 less than A plus B plus C less than 270 degree. Okay, A plus B plus C either in first quadrant or second quadrant or third quadrant. Sin of A plus B plus C equal to 1 implies A plus B plus C must 90 degree on. Because sin 91 between A plus B plus C only 190 will satisfy 0 to 270, only 190 will satisfy the condition. That's what I can say. A plus B plus C equal to 90 degree, equation number 1. Okay, next what is given? Secant A plus C2 means reverse of that. Cos of A plus C equal to 1 by 2. A and C are acute angles, their addition lies between 0 to 180, but cos positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant only. That's why I can say that A plus C must and should 60 degree. Must and should 60 only. So from 1 and 2, a plus b plus c equal to 90, a plus c equal to 60, subtraction minus 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 cc aa. So what happened on b equal to 30 degree. So required b value equal to 30 degree. I guess option 3 is correct. Students, if a sin of a plus b plus c equal to 1, direct you can't say that a plus b plus c equal to 90. Nana. Several angles exist, one of them is 90. But what I found here, a plus b plus range, a plus b plus c lies between 0 to 270. Only one value from 0 to 270 will satisfy. Yeah, next question, students. If a plus b plus c equal to pi and cos a equal to cos b, cos a equal to cos c, then find the value of tan a in terms of b and c. Interesting problem. Cos a equal to cos b into cos c. Instead of a, I can write pi minus half b plus c equal to cos b into cos c. So minus cos of b plus c equal to cos b into cos c minus of cos b cos c minus sin b sin c equal to cos b into cos c, or minus cos b into cos c plus sin b into sin c equal to cos b into cos c. Just transfer to right hand side. So what I will get, I will write here sin b into sin c equal to 2 cos b into cos c. Divide throughout by cos b into cos c. What will get, Nana? Tan b into tan c equal to 2. This is result number 1. Okay. A plus b plus c equal to pi. A in terms of b and c I want. So what I can say, tan a equal to tan of pi minus of b plus c. Tan a equal to tan of 180 minus theta minus tan theta minus into tan b plus tan c by 1 minus tan b into tan c. Students, instead of this I can write 2 from this. So what we will get, I will write tan a equal minus tan b plus tan c by minus 1. From 1 I can write like that. Okay, 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled. What happened? Tan a equal to tan b plus tan c. So this is the answer for the problem. We want tan a value in terms of b and c, means I can say that tan a equal to tan b plus tan c. I can say that second one is correct option. Yeah, next question, another important model. First of all, you want to identify the logic for the problem, students. Something is given 1 plus tan 30, 1 plus tan 30 to something. These are not standard angles, but observation is important. 13 plus 30 to 45. That is important thing. We know that I will write if a plus b equal to 45 degree, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2 only. Proved result. So 13 and 32 45 only, that's why numerator is 2. I will write 1 plus tan 13 into 1 plus tan 32 by 1 plus tan 12 into 1 plus tan 33. This is 2 by 2 only, because 12 plus 13 also 45 only. 33 plus 12, 45 only. 13 plus 32, 45 only. 2 by 2, 1. Now I can say that 1 is correct option. Okay. Next question. Tan B equal to 2 sin A into sin C by sin of A plus C. Then tan A, tan B, tan C are in dash. Are the arithmetic progression, geometric progression, harmonic progression, arithmetic or geometric progression. Means all in terms of tan. We need to count all in terms of tan. Observations 2 by sin of A plus C by sin A sin C I can write. Or another words I can say that 2 divided by sin A cos C plus cos A sin C by sin A sin C. I will write in next page. Tan beta equal to 2 by, students listen na, cos A cos C by sin A sin C, sin get cancelled, get cot C plus this by this, sin get cancelled, cot A, or tan B equal to 2 by 1 by tan C plus 1 by tan A, or 2 by tan B equal to 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan C. We know that if 2 by B equal to 1 by A plus 1 by C, then A comma B comma C are in HP only, harmonic progression, that is condition. Just like 2 by tan B equal to 1 by tan A plus 1 by tan C means, therefore tan A comma tan B comma tan C are in harmonic progression. Okay students, our next problem, matching type. List 1, list 2 given, we want to compare, we want to match. First one is cos 20 plus cos 140 plus cos 100. Cos 20 plus this can be written as 120 plus 20 plus cos 120 minus 20. Okay, cos 20, cos A plus B to cos A plus B plus cos A minus 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos 120 into cos 20. Cos 20 plus 2 into cos 120 into cos 20. Cos 120 value I want, that is equal to cos of 90 plus 30, 90 plus 30 second quadrant minus 1 into 90 cos gives sin 30, that is equal to minus half. So here minus half. Okay, now what I can say, Nana? Cos 20 minus cos 20. So these two get cancelled, get 0. Now I can say that the value equal to 0. Okay, first one is 0, means first one is option A. So I can compare 1 with A. Okay, now I want to find second one. Second one, 1 plus tan A into 1 plus tan B equal to 2 is A plus B equal to 45, some angles. Especially 20 plus 25, 45 only, that's why second one is compared with B only, or match with B. So here only you can say our option is 1, Nana, because only two options completed, A, B. So A, B, only one option starting with A, B, then I can directly say that AB is the answer for the problem, or you can verify remaining things also. Next one is tan 20 into tan 32 plus tan 32 into tan 38 plus tan 38 into tan 20. So do one thing, student, take A equal to 20 degree, B equal to 32, C equal to 38. This is in the form of tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A in any order. We want to find its value. First of all, add them. What will get, Nana? A plus B plus C equal to 90 degree. So indirectly, what is the question? If A plus B plus C equal 90, then what is the value of tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan A? Now I can say 1 only. So I will show you how you got that 1. Tan A plus B plus C formula, sigma tan A minus pi tan A by 1 minus, here plus, no, okay, plus, no, minus only, yeah, 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B. This is the formula. So if A plus B plus is 90, you write 90 here, then LHS won't define, tan 90 won't define. Tan LHS won't define means RHS should not define, RHS fraction should not define, means denominator should be 0, means 1 minus sigma tan A into tan B machine should 0, or 1 equal to sigma tan A into tan B, that is tan A into tan B plus tan B into tan C plus tan C into tan C into tan A equal to 1. So I can say that this is compared with C. Okay. Last one, that is sin square 10 degree plus sin square 120 minus 10 degree plus sin square 120 plus 10 degree. We have the formula directly 3 by 2 only. Sin square theta plus sin square 120 plus theta plus sin square 120 minus theta equal to 3 by 2 only. So this is with a D. So finally what I can say, A, B, C, D. So that is option 1 is correct. Next question, this is also interesting, comparison Nana here, comparison. Yeah, ascending order and descending order of A, B, C, D's. Okay. First of all, yeah, already I explained, no, cos x minus sin x by cos x plus sin x is nothing but tan of pi by 4 minus x only. So in this problem, tan of pi by 4 is 45 I can write, 45 minus 9 degree I can write, that is tan of 36 degree. So A equal to tan 36, I will write A equal to tan 36. Okay. Obviously B equal to tan of pi by 4 plus A, that one, pi by 4, 45 plus 21, that is 66, tan 66. Yeah, 45 plus 21, Nana. 666, correct one. Okay. Next, C I want. C equal to tan 20 plus tan 40 plus root 3 tan 20 into tan 40. Okay. This value I want. See. What I want do? Tan 60 equal to tan 40 plus 20 equal to tan 40 plus tan 20 by 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20. That is root 3 equal to tan 40 plus tan 20 by 1 minus tan 40 into tan 20. Cross multiplication, root 3 minus root 3 into tan 40 into tan 20 equal to tan 40 plus tan 20. Transfer this side, what will get? Root 3 equal to tan 40 plus tan 20 plus root 3 into tan 40 into tan 20. So this total value is root 3. C equal to root 3. That's all. Now I want compare, students. So again I want to write A equal to tan 36 degree, B equal to tan 66 degree, C equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 is root 3 only. Okay, so finally you know the graph of tan function in the interval 0 to pi, increasing. Okay, so 36 here, A is here, C is here, B is here. So A is corresponding value here, C is corresponding value here, B is corresponding here, B is greater than, C is greater than A. So what you want? Descending order. Descending order means what I can say that descending order, BCA. I can say option 2 is correct. Highest value is B, next C, next A.